Come with me to pick up my new car today. So excited. See y'all later. Love you too. Yep, he's right here. Love you. Okay, but first, let's get my hair done. Okay, took longer than expected, but the hair's done. Okay, Lord. I need a nap now. Okay, y'all, I definitely forgot to take y'all in the bank with me to pick up my check. So, let's walk in there. Got my check, my envelope. So, next thing, we got to go get this car. Y'all, we made it to the car lot. Getting our new car. He calls it my car because he has one, but hey, it's really both of our cars. But anyway, we made it.
Yeah, putting money on that motherfucker.
Thanks, baby. Shout out to him. Shout out to my daddy. Shout out to my brother. Shout out to me. And shout out to me. And shout out to me. And them.
Let it be jerky, let me have it.
Quick bathroom action at the dealership because I gotta use the bathroom again. He was like, didn't you use it before we left? And did. And did. We are done. Got the envelope up. And he left us a nice little...
Hey, I just drank a pop.
We got the keys. This is nice. All right. Okay. Full tank of gas. That's cool.
Hey, Mommy, is this your new car that you got?
Yes.
Look at that, you're like...
Hey, y'all. It is the next day. Because yesterday, we was just chilling. But this is the new car we got. New truck. Only thing I miss is the sunroof, but I love everything else. It's so perfect for my family. So shout out to my main loved ones. I love y'all. Thanks for helping out. But here we go. It's nice. You know, got space for the kids, chargers. And then after I got a rental like this, I did not want to go back to the regular screen. I had an upgrade. Like, look at the dash. This is nice. Alright, y'all. And there you have it. I gotta take the tags off, you know.